Question 14, y is inversely proportional to d squared, and we've got values of d and y here. D is directly proportional to x squared, and we have some values. Find a formula for y in terms of x. Now it may seem a bit complicated, but this is one of those questions where you're better off just making a start. So y is inversely proportional to d squared. So we use k as being the constant that we're trying to work out. And here we've got y is inversely proportional to d squared. Writing down that equation picks you up 1 mark. We're now going to try and work out what k is. So when d is 10, y is 4. So 4 equals k over d squared. Well, d is 10, so d squared is 100. So k must be 400. And again, that process picks you up your 2nd mark. So my first formula is y is 400 over d squared. Find a formula for y in terms of x. Well, I've got y here in terms of d, and I'm going to get d in terms of x. I'm going to substitute in a minute to get the final answer. D is directly proportional to x squared, so d is directly proportional to x squared. I know I've used k again, but it's going to have a different value because it's a different equation. And by writing that, I've picked up my 3rd mark. X is 2, d is 24. So 24 is k times, if x is 2, x squared is 4. So k is going to be 6. So this formula, d is 6x squared. Now to finish off, I have to substitute this value into there, and then I've got y in terms of x. Lots of people made a mistake here. You've got to be very careful. It's 400 over 6x squared. Don't forget about that squared there, so it's 6x squared all squared, because d is 6x squared. So d squared will be 6x squared all squared. Writing that correctly picks you up your 4th mark, and now we're just left with having to simplify. So firstly, if I tidy up the bottom of the fraction, 6x squared all squared is 36x to the 4. I'm going to divide top and bottom by 4, because I know 4 goes into 36, and I'm going to have 100 over 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9x to the 4. There's no number that goes into 9 and 100. This is in its simplified form, and I have my 5th mark.